lifted a little up front.
Yeah, in the front. It look mean, huh?
Yeah. What up, boy?
What's cracking?
Where you going?
To the pad, where are you going?
To the warehouse?
I'll meet you there right now.
All right.
Damn. Is that famous boy Noe?
Yeah, it's a fake one.
I was like, damn,
It's the
two
bootleg
TRX
one.
pulling up.
Look good, Cal.
You too, boy.
You're a bad Cali.
You know, I get to feel all these buttons again. They like big boy stuff with you because you a clown.
You're a
Looking
bad
good, boy.
dude. Nah, a little bit.
What you wearing now?
I'm like the same. I've been 265-ish,
Oh yeah?
270, yeah.
Shit look good on
Yeah,
you.
I'm the same, yeah.
Yeah.
I've been staying right here, so
How you
Yeah.
feeling?
That's crazy.
I feel good, yeah, I feel good.
Is it signed?
Not
you
yet,
go fly?
almost. Oh yeah, it's gonna go.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's already like all in the works. Hopefully December, or that's the
Damn.
plan. Yeah.
Wow.
So we've been turning it up. It's been good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's been good. I'm excited.
Wow.
Look at my
They've been asking.
They've been asking, boy.
They've been making up stories on their own.
They have, that's
Well,
crazy.
I think what's happening is that
Well, I think this is what happened.
look, them calves and knotted up from all that running.
Look.
Look at that boy calves and knotted up from
Oh,
all
yeah,
that
yeah.
running.
You got to get that good angle. Hold on, right here. You got to teach Callie.
I still ain't got no cat. Look. Oh, look at that quad.
That's from all that running shit. You got to go shorter size of them shorts there.
I know it all loose.
Oh, you got the black, huh?
It's a black jersey.
Hell yeah.
We got the
these.
shorts. We have
You
like
got shorts with it too?
yeah, right here.
Oh yeah. I
They're
think
all
I
shorts.
just wear a large now.
They're a little bigger ones, so
Oh,
it
they are,
depends on
large.
how you want to fit them. I guess this is open. You can pull this one out.
Uh-huh.
They're like a looser fit. So you might, I don't know.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
I need a medium.
Yeah, you probably need them, but they're comfy. They're thick
Uh-huh.
material.
Large should work. Yeah, I'd stick with the large.
And then the shirts are Pro Club. We brought the Pro Club back for this drop.
What material? Let me see.
Thick one. Do we have any open ones, Sky? No.
Oh, they
What size you normally wear?
I'd probably take a large.
Large. This is like watch, feel the material. It's
This is
thick.
jersey like
Yeah,
you
yeah,
got on.
Yeah, that's a jersey.
Pro Club, I see.
Oh,
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's Pro Club. We did it with that one,
Oh yeah, that'll work.
but it's pretty. It's nice. It's thick,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
and it
Thick.
has a tight collar. Like
Oh,
they're
yeah.
nice. The collars are nice.
Medium.
Medium.
Yeah, we're
You
medium.
sure?
Dude, I'm sure, bro.
Medium too on the jersey.
Yeah. It's like this, right? It's like these.
Yeah, it's
Right,
actually a different one to
But
be
yeah,
honest.
medium.
You got
yeah.
to take me
Yeah.
through a
Thank you.
training session or something, but you got to
do
take
it.
it easy on me, man. Take
Nah,
it
you
easy
good.
on me,
When you
man.
want to do it?
Whenever.
You can go right now.
That's what I was wondering.
Right now.
We just went, but I mean, we
Trying to
could.
get me sweaty right now.
We go to Ruka in the morning, like at 8. It's empty. It'll just be us.
Oh yeah.
So you'll feel good. Right now, you don't
okay.
want to go. It's gonna
Right,
be
yeah.
packed
Uh-huh.
with all the fighters and.
Them
But the
tired.
tires, the dressing got all over it.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, this is an upgrade. These are 37s
Yeah, I seen the video when
on
you got
20s.
those.
Yeah, they come with 35s with 18s.
Oh, so you lifted a little up front.
Yeah, in the front.
That's dope.
And then this.
Hey, coming to somebody, that look
It
menacing.
look mean, huh?
Yeah.
And then I just got
crazy.
the bumpers.
Oh yeah.
See
Nice.
that? Yeah, with the
Yeah.
big bar and the skid plate right here. So now it can take someone out.
Oh yeah. Damn.
Lights are bright, and I got the bumpers in the rear too.
This is sick.
But it is cool.
Yeah, them tires brought it out too.
Yeah, the tires brought
Made
it out.
more mean.
Yeah, and open it all up.
Uh huh. Yeah, it's sick.
Yeah.
Best truck out.
Thank you. Yeah, nah, that's cool. I like it.
Yeah, it's lifted. God damn.
But I
How-
can see how anybody, because it reminded me of me and the Camaro. I'm like, I can see that mother
Oh,
mile away.
Yeah,
Is that big boy?
sticks out.
Oh, is that big boy right there, boy?
Yeah, that one sticks out for sure.
How much did you lift it?
Just like 2 inches, I think. An
Okay.
inch or 2 in the front. And then this, and then the rear bumper. Same thing you can see.
I test drove about 3 of them.
Got the rear bumper on
It
it.
was just,
Got the
everybody was
lights.
talking about that 40,000 markup.
Oh yeah, the lights. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, those things are bright. Got the lights on them, so.
You didn't, I thought you had a tonneau cover on yours.
Nah.
Oh, you never got the cover?
Just it came with the bed liner. That was it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The only thing else I want to do, I need to tint the windows.
What's
Never
that?
done it. It's my phone.
Oh.
So that's factory tint?
Yeah, this is factory tint.
Really?
Yeah. Just want
Oh.
to get the tint. I still want to get exhaust and an intake.
Oh,
Get the
that
wine.
exhaust sound good.
Well, it sound good though.
Whew, you
Yes.
probably gotta have somebody drive it to hear it. Cause I was like that with all my cars.
Yeah.
Like, I want it louder.
Yeah.
But no, you
It sounded
hear this
pretty loud.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, you'll hear it in the video. So your supercharger sounds pretty good too.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah, but you should, if you can get a louder one, you should.
Throw the intake on that
Yeah,
thing.
man, cheap, $400.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh,
Miles per gallon's
yeah,
gonna go
I've
up,
heard
bro.
of TR.
Yeah.
I haven't even seen TRSs.
Yeah.
Except yours and that other guy today.
There's a couple around here now,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
ain't no orange ones.
Right now.
Hell
I've
no.
seen a black, a silver, a red one, but I haven't seen no orange. I think there's only one orange one that I've seen around, and we bought them at the same time.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I had that orange 5.7 Hemi.
Yeah, that was dope.
That was my favorite, man. I got so many compliments for that truck.
Yeah, it's dope.
Wow.
The mango.
Uh-huh.
Mango orange.
Yeah.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.